Hi everyone, and welcome to the AILF Instruments U10 methane sensor. As organisations across the globe focus on the environmental impact of their daily operations, the issue of greenhouse gas emissions and how to definitively measure, report and manage them is of strategic importance. The costs associated with process optimisation, leak detection, asset maintenance and emissions offsets are significant and set to increase as emissions targets are adopted by countries worldwide. Direct measurement of emissions can inform organisations in reducing these costs. The U10 provides a portable and agile means of direct measurement of methane concentrations. The unit is a custom-designed payload to suit the DJI Matrice 200 series of UAVs. The U10 operates on the principle of laser absorption spectroscopy. This approach uses a sensitive detector to identify spectroscopic changes to laser energy as it passes through the target gas and is reflected back to the unit. The U10 is designed for the Matrice 200 series and uses the standard DJI mounting system. Fitting the unit to the airframe is an identical procedure to DJI's Z30 and other cameras. The U10 is powered by the UAV and is a fully integrated solution. Once installed and with your pre-flight checklist complete, you're ready to go. The Matrice 210 I used for this trial had no problems at all with the U10 payload. It flew beautifully. The U10 sensor is mounted on a single axis gimbal which offers adjustment to pitch of the unit only. As with DJI's camera payloads, pitch is adjusted with the controller's thumb wheel. Your operations will require you to turn the UAV itself. A fully charged set of TB50 batteries gave me 15 minutes of flight time before landing at 30%. Now let's look at the Alpha 1 app which partners the U10 sensor. This demonstration is of the first build of Alpha 1 and upcoming versions will have full support for Apple and Google Maps. Once started, Alpha 1 will check comms and ask you to enter the inspector's name. Alpha 1 is very similar to DJI Go, however it incorporates a real-time sensor display and will keep a list of readings which exceed your preset limit. Each time that limit is exceeded, the app will also beep to alert you. Each alarm point in the list is retained for post-flight review and reporting purposes. The central crosshairs on the display correspond to the laser target. In this example, we are flying over a sludge drying pan at a local wastewater treatment plant. Sludge is a material left over from the anaerobic digestion process, which is the primary methane generating stage in wastewater treatment. The wet sludge is pumped out to dry in the sun for later excavation. As we approach the drying pan inlet, the sensor indicates the presence of methane. As we did not see indications of methane while flying over the pan, we concentrate on the inlet for further indications. This methane has come from the earlier digestion stage. We are flying over another wastewater plant and inspecting some vent stacks. The ability to measure gas concentration remotely with a UAV-based solution means that the operator remains well away from any hazard exposure and can cover a wide range of assets and locations quickly in a single flight. The wastewater and natural gas industries typically operate large assets located over long distances and in locations where access can be difficult and hazardous. In the case of these Lagoon aerators, direct approach by personnel raises significant biohazard exposure issues, which are completely avoided through the use of remote platforms. The M200 series of UAVs is specifically designed for this type of industrial application, and it's a great base for the U10 sensor. With the flight completed, it's time to review the data and generate some reporting for the client. Alpha 1 enables the pilot to review each inspection and immediately generate a PDF report while still on site. The report can refer to a single inspection, or you can select multiple separate inspections to be collated into a single report for your client. The report includes data for each detected alarm point, presented on a map view with a photo overlay. The next release of Alpha 1 will have full Apple and Google Maps support. Once generated, you can forward the report directly from your mobile device, and your client will have the data in their hand while you're still performing your post-flight checklist. So this is the U10 methane sensor from AILF Instruments. It's a very special tool designed for a serious purpose. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching.